Alright, I haven't posted any videos in a while, so I better get one here. See, we're kind of cleaning this culvert out. The mud was pretty much almost up about 6-8 inches from the top of the culvert. It's all silted in. So we're just cleaning this out, clean the other side out. I've been hauling material out here at the roll-off, and then we got the Freightliner up there. And yeah, we'll get a video here on the other side. Still got to load some of this dirt out over here, but Dad cleaned this out earlier. So that's pretty much it. Go back to dump this stuff driving down the road. Obviously it's muddy now, but it's not like soup. But when we go back to dump, stand clear, because that stuff comes shooting out of there like 4 or 5 feet behind the truck. So alright, well, I'm back here with the load here on the Freightliner. This mud. Figure I'll try to set my camera up here, try to get a video of it coming out. I shouldn't say camera, on my phone. So I'll see if I can get a spot here where I can get it coming out. I said it's pretty much well souped. So let's see here. That might work. Well, there she be. We're gonna go back and get the hoe loaded up.